Large chunks of raw gold ore are unloaded from heavy mining trucks onto steel conveyors. Industrial crushers break the gold ore into smaller rock fragments. Rotating grinding drums turn crushed ore into fine mineral powder. The powdered ore is washed with water and chemicals inside extraction tanks. Gold particles begin separating from waste material inside the slurry. Heavy gold-rich sludge flows slowly into metal collection trays. The collected gold concentrate is transferred into drying machines. Dried gold concentrate is poured into large industrial furnaces. Inside the furnace, extreme heat melts the gold into glowing liquid metal. Molten gold shines bright orange as it swirls inside the furnace chamber. Liquid gold is carefully poured from the furnace into heavy steel crucibles. Impurities rise to the surface and are removed from the molten gold. The purified molten gold flows through refining channels inside the factory. Electro-refining tanks, further purifying the gold using electric currents. Ultra-pure liquid gold is released into rectangular casting mold. The gold fills each mold, slowly taking the shape of solid bars. Freshly cast gold bars glow as they begin cooling on metal racks. Mechanical arms lift the cooling gold bars out of their molds. Rough gold bars move along conveyors toward finishing stations. Grinding machines smooth the surfaces and edges of the gold bars. Fine polishing wheels make the bars bright and reflective. Each gold bar is weighed to ensure accurate mass. Precision machines check the purity and density of every bar. Stamping machines engrave serial numbers and purity marks. Close-up of engraved gold bars showing detailed markings. Finished bars are cleaned to remove dust and fingerprints. Quality inspectors check the surface and edges under bright lights. Approved gold bars are stacked neatly onto steel pallets. Security wrapping is applied around each stack of gold bars. Sealed packages are labeled for tracking and inventory. Forklifts move the secured gold pallets across the factory floor. Pallets of gold bars are transported toward the secure vault area. Heavy steel vault doors begin to open. Stacks of gold bars are moved into the high security vault. Robotic systems arrange gold bars inside the storage vault. Rows of gold bars reflect the bright lights of the vault. Final inspection confirms the bars are ready for storage or shipment. Security systems monitor the stored gold around the clock. The vault doors slowly close, sealing the gold inside. A wide view shows the full gold refining and storage area. Workers observe control panels managing the gold production line. Close-up of perfectly finished gold bars under bright industrial lighting. Stacks of gold bars are prepared for secure transportation.